Derwin Jobley III, are you ready for school?
Yes, Father. I'm lacing my shoes. I'll be right down.
He's such a perfect young man.
Okay, Father. I'm darting off to pursue my educational prowess.
Okay, son. Don't dilly-dally. I'll be home late. It's my bridge night.
I'll see you later. Bye. Yo, what's up, B? How you feeling? What's going on? Yo, let's bounce, son.
Let's first make some chords that will make your friend's mum want to do bad things with you.
Yeah, boy.
Let's add some effects to spice it up.
Let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Shape a box. EQ. Compressor. More EQ. And a sidechain for movement. Compressor. EQ. Stereo widener. Now we need some fire drums that can get you all the women your heart desires. Let's work on an 808 that can turn any simp into a playboy.
If it's sex you are dying for, I am ready to give you. Look at me, I'm a clean boy. I will give you the sex.
Compressor. EQ. And more EQ. you.